Hello, the topic today is the comparative adjectives. Before we start, we need to remember what is an adjective. As you can see, an adjective is a word that describes a person, a place, or an object. Some examples of adjectives are pretty, new, big, small, clean, and young. Now, the question is, how do we do the comparative adjective? We realize this comparative adjective in this way. We first have the adjectives like here, small, pretty, big, young, clean. To make the comparative, we are going to add er at the end of each word. The comparative of small is smaller, for pretty, prettier, for big, bigger, for young, younger, and for clean, cleaner. The comparative adjective helps to compare two or more people, places, and things. Also, the comparative gives power to the adjective. For example, the boy is smaller than the girl. So it's always important to pay attention when we add the er to the adjective and then to compare with another person. For example, here the boy is the person we compare is smaller. Okay, smaller than who? Than the girl. Here are two other example exercises. In the first one, we have two pictures. We have box A and box B. So we can say that box A is smaller than box B. Is that correct? Now look at box B. Box B is bigger than box A. Is that correct? Now look at the second pictures. We have two animals, a turtle and a snail. Which of these two animals is slower? We can form a sentence with the comparative by saying the turtle is slower than the snail. Do you think the turtle is slower than the snail? Or the snail is slower than the turtle? So which of these animals is slower? Think of it. So remember, the comparative has four purposes. The first one, that the comparative gives power to the adjectives, okay? The adjectives have to end in er, like the example smaller. For adjectives with one and two syllables, smaller has two syllables, smaller. So then we can finish with er. And at last, we have to remember that the comparative helps to compare people, places, and things. Okay, so this is it for the comparative adjective. I will send you the PowerPoint so you can also check this video with the uh, PowerPoint so you can complete your topic and understand the comparative. Thank you and have a nice day.